there's a fairly well-known poet named Esther Shumiatcher who came from, she married Peretz Hirschbein, the famous Yiddish writer. They met in Calgary, where she was living and he was on some sort of lecture or reading tour sometime around 1919. So there was stuff going on there. Her family, her extended family, Shumiatchers, they owned a famous hat company called Smith Built Hats, who make real cowboy hats. People think that they're Stetsons, but they're actually Smith built. So a good deal of Yiddish literature was funded on the proceeds of the sales of cowboy hats, originating in Calgary.